Okay, so this tool can generate 100 winning Facebook ad variations in just 30 seconds. Here's how it works. So the first thing you have to do is you upload your winning ad, or let's look at this. Or you can upload any of the templates that are provided to you in this tool. And then what you can do is you would say what you want to vary it on. So you have the ad, and then let's say I want to have the same exact ad except for the hook or headline in the image. And then you can add optionally, you can add more context, right? So say you want to give a context of your product or your ideal target audience. So you can do that, and I just have it already saved here. And then you can just add more variations. So let's add 30, and it's gonna add more fields. And so you can add these fields manually, or you can just use AI to generate these for you. So let's do it. So we're gonna click this button, and this amazing tool has learnings from over $10 million on Meta ads and over 200 winning ad data, and it has a lot of fundamental psychology data of what makes people take action or what works. And so using all of this data, this tool will create these headlines. So you can see it already created these headlines, these hooks for this specific ad. And so now we can just hit this button, generate, and in 30 seconds, you'll see, or maybe a bit longer, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, you'll see this status change to generated, and you'll be able to see your ads. So let's just give it some time. Okay, so you can see the status change to generated. So we're gonna click through this, and we can see all of these ads in different tabs are generated, and we can just download them easily. And there we go. We have about 30 ads generated for us that are based on proven ad examples and Facebook ad data with collected basically over 5 years. So you can use these ads and launch them and reduce your cost per acquisition and scale your ads. That's it.